Hey Dublin homeowners, if you're seeing this video, it's on purpose. We just sold a luxury home in Dublin at 8,219 Tillinghast Drive in the estate section of Tartan Fields. The property was listed for $1.2 million. We ran a high-frequency 7-day coming soon advertising campaign with professional photos, aerial videos, 3D tours, floor plans, culminating with a VIP open house. The property went live on Friday, and by the end of the day on Saturday, we ended out with dozens of showings and 5 offers way over the asking price. We're now in contract, but we still have 4 additional buyers looking for luxury homes in Dublin up to $1.4 million. What that means for you is we have 4 more buyers looking for a home in Dublin. If you're interested in the possibility of selling off market with no signs in the yard, no pictures online, no nosy neighbors, no long listing contract, no expensive staging, and no endless stream of strangers traipsing through your home, reach out to me directly to get access to those 4 buyers ready, willing, and able to buy your home as is. Or if you like to explore the integrated marketing system to create a bidding war environment and get similar results that we got for Matt and Laura, just reach out and let me know. Whether you chose off-market or with our maximum impact marketing system, this might be the perfect opportunity to work together to get your home sold. Go ahead and call me today.